Hi, I'm Lisa Huck. My practice is called Thrive Fitness, Nutrition, Lifestyle, and I love teaching you how to move. I'm going to show you today a core exercise, a movement that's going to train the front of your core, which is your belly core. You're going to lay down on your back, and we're going to start out with the knees up. We're going to extend one leg up and then the other leg up. Now, what I love about this is this really lengthens the hamstrings. As it's lubricating the knees and getting the quads activated, we're going to continue to try and make it more intense by driving the heels up and pulling the toes down. As you go, you're going to feel you're stretching out your hamstrings, which is so good to relieve your lower back. So I like to do this one often to relieve my lower back, but it also works the core. As I go, I'm trying to make it harder by pulling my toes down, driving my heels up, and also bringing my legs closer to me, which is increasing the hamstring stretch. Now here's a little bit of an adjustment to it. I'm going to go ahead and the bottom foot is going to toe down as the top foot is going to flex up. So my 2 feet are doing opposite things. Then I'm going to switch and do opposite. This is super good for your brain. There's a part of your brain called the corpus callosum, which is the connection between the two hemispheres. When you do something different on either side, you're really running back and forth through those two brains, really working that corpus callosum. That's great for men because men have smaller corpus callosums. So this is great for the belly, great for the hamstrings, great for the quads. Now I'm going to take it into a little twist. So we're going to take it over to the side to make it a little bit more three-dimensional. And then that is really working one side of your belly. Then we're going to switch sides. Remember, I'm still flexing and pointing. Boy, my brain got confused there, which is good. When you're confused in your brain, when you're moving, it's really good because what it does is it brings a lot of blood flow to that area of your brain. So you're actually feeding your brain and helping your brain be alive, active, and young. Thank you, and if you want to take it to the next level, go to my website, thrivefnl.com. Thank you.